So the DE powder is, the bags are full. So you gotta find the strap. There it is. And pull them out. And what we do is we throw it away in the trash. So we'll set it over here and let it drain out a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and... So here's John undoing this one. So he took the ring off. He's gonna pull the top, and then he'll pull the bag just like I did. You kind of want to let it drain off so that you don't spill that in your tank and your pack and get it dirty. So when the water goes out of this, we'll go ahead and throw all that DE powder in the trash.